So I just have a quick improvement today. I was actually going through this box looking through its Kanban level, but I realized that it's really hard to see because there's a whole box in the way. So my thinking for this is I'm actually going to cut off these sides. So you can see I already did one. I'm gonna cut off this side, that side, and the front. I'm still gonna keep the top with it. That way we know what paper it is, and then you can see the Kanban level. So let me do that real quick and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just cut down the flaps and this is the end result. So at the top right here, that way when we go on break for the winter or anything, there's no dust gathering up on the paper. And you can still see the Kanban level and it's easier to grab the paper. If we had boxes for these, then I would keep these as well. But we can make another improvement another day. Alright. So I was just about to upload this video and then we got a box of this paper in. So I did the same exact thing, cut off the sides, cut off the bottom. We have the top right here. And you can see how many cases there are in there. You have a Kanban right there.